Traders, investors, peeps, yes, we are in it. The Mac is doing stuff and we are doing things. Actually, other than the dirtiness that we see every morning, had a semi-cleanish run. At least we're trading above the SMA. But after days of bouncing around this channel, wasn't paying much attention to it, was busy in other plays. But man, we talked about last night how we got that little notice that they had a new VP. This actually came through the newswire today at 4 o'clock. But that was well after they started their run. Hard to say exactly what caused it. Let me know in the down there what you think. We've had some good articles and stuff come out recently. This one right here, some analysts talking about, 27. Freight wave's always on our side. These guys haven't always been our best friend, but this most recent article they put out a day ago is actually fairly positive. So between that and us getting this news and this news starting to circulate, I think we're getting some new peeps excited about this company, and that's what we saw today. We saw the morning shenanigans, and we saw some nice consolidation action. Definitely not the cleanest, some serious teeter-totter action, just a tug of war between bulls and shorts. Teeter-totter action, just some all the way up. So we talked about this level here. We've tested it, like, dear God, so many times now. And the volume just hasn't really been there. I mean, it's kind of hard to see here. We can go to a different chart. You see a little bit easier now that we got it on the 4 hour. Just separates the day into two candles, the volume. So you see, once we got locked in this channel, and even still some back here, the volume's been kind of low. Now when we have these green days when we're running a little bit, yeah, sure, volume ramps a bit. But generally speaking, these last couple of days here, there's the biggest candle we got. So the volume's been fairly low, and we've talked about this in the Discord. However, today, we got some action. Not only that, but we got some cross action, and we got some cross action on a big chart, guys. This is the 4 hour. And we got some serious cross action and some separation action in there on the 1 hour. Pooh, boy, I don't know. Don't hold your breath. Futures could very well fuck this up for us again. So watch this. Always watch this. And basically futures are kind of just paused. I mean, there's been a couple articles in here and stuff that's popped up. We're trading sideways right now, trying to figure out where everyone stands. With all the stuff and things we've talked about in the past videos. Future lockdowns, future restrictions, current restrictions, all the stuff and things. And so I'm not sure why they didn't post anything about this on their page. I haven't found anything. But they're going to be at this conference, and this conference is a pretty big deal. There's a lot of companies, a lot of players going to be there. So at the very least, it's good exposure, and that's what we need. And it is tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern, and what do you know? I guess we're going to be streaming that, so I will see you there at 4 p.m. We will be live then. So, what else? Well, we got some time and trade action at the very end of the day here. I was busy in some of the plays we talked about in last night's video this morning, so I didn't see anything. But at the end of the day, I sees this. Seen some pretty decent volume flowing in. I choked it down to orders greater than 1,000. So you got some 31 action right there. And then we got Mr. Double Triple Zeers with the 31, the double 31 thou. So, they're trying, they're still here, but man, we are certainly making them sweat, I'll tell you what. And everyone was having fun today, freaking out in the chat. It was a good time, man. So if you're not in here, we got a lot of people. We got a lot of people, and we got a lot of knowledgeable guys, so come on down. Come on down. And I guess before we duck out, we can look at the plays that we called out yesterday. So we had Fubo, we had a couple on the list. Not all of them were great, but they didn't all present an opportunity. Fubo did. Blink did. FCell was, I don't know, somehow holding this level. Ran up a little bit, but not much of an opportunity there. The real plays were on Netty from the video before. Played that today. That was pretty fun. Hopped into it a little bit late, but still made some money, so it was a good time. And also Fubo. Good old Foobs. So that was a good play too. Pretty clean run. Yes. So, anyways, that is it. I was supposed to be off tonight, but I had to do this stuff and things because boy, oh boy, what a runnerine machine. That was smexy. Let's see if she continues. Certainly validated that resistance there. With the 1 hour up as well, with the separation action going on in there. We should start measuring the separation action. Make a triangle and calculate the area of it. Do the hypotenuse. Okay. But we closed up with the Mac just flying up. Amazing separation action. Not the best I've seen, but I'll take it and I love it. Traders, investors, peeps, I'm Daniel. I'm your market engineer. Hit the thing. Do this stuff. Join the Discord. I am out.